shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for October 29th. And we're going to start out with the biggest ETF out there, of course, the SPY, which is starting to move up a little bit. And we're going to be bullish above 303.12. Yep, we have a retracement to the pivot, 303.35. But if we can go above that, let me actually show you that. Yeah, I love my pivots. And hold on. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at today. Yeah, we get a retracement right to person's pivot. That's yesterday's high, low, close, divided by 3. Computers are programmed to sell there. If we can break above that, then there's a lot of room to go, but that is going to be a key resistance area to watch for the SPY. Let me just move this back. We're going to be bearish below 302.75 for a retracement gap fill possibility. Yeah, we have this little gap right here. Yep, so if we do move back, we might fill in that gap, then move back up or move lower to the 8 exponential moving average. Every time we move far away from it, it wants to come back, come back, come back. So are we going to come back? We'll see. Let's go to the E-minis. For those of you that like to trade the futures, oops. We're going to be bullish above 30.40 and bearish below 30.24. All right, the Russell, we're going to be bullish above IWM 156.25, key level to watch going up, and bearish below 155.25. I took a trade here to the downside and here to the upside. This for me is a no trade zone, not enough room, could be choppy. We'll do the QQQ, bullish above 197.50, that's a major level. And bearish below 196.75. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. So I have a lot of stocks today, so let's get through this. NASDAQ futures, bullish above 81.10 and bearish below 80.87 for the NASDAQ futures. We have the Dow futures. We'll be bullish above, oops, too many. Bullish above 27.050, and we're going to be bearish below 26.900. Oil futures. Yeah, let me bring you that chart. Let's bring that in here. Okay. Oil futures, we are going to be bullish above 55.50. We had a really huge volume bar right here. So I'm always going to be bullish above 55.50. We have a retracement to the pivot right there. And we're going to be bearish below 55 for a move down there. And let's look at the gold futures as well. Let me blow this up actually. Are we there? So yeah, look at this massive volume we had. Holy cow, yeah, really big. And at about 635. Yeah, so that's why I picked that level where I'm going to be bullish above 14.95. We really got to go above that. Then we'll retrace and hit a brick wall right here at 14.99. And then I'm going to be bearish. Let's see, I picked 14.84. Yeah, we got to go below here. And so the bullish is here and the bearish is down here. Yeah, this is a no trade zone. Just way too much volume in this bar. So wait and see if we break to the upside or down from that. Really huge volume. All right, let's go to the individual stocks because I have a ton of them. And I just want to make a mention to Otis yesterday, who had a fantastic day trading Roku. I don't know, he was trading all the crazy stocks and doing really well. So let's go to USO. All right, so USO, the down trade is much easier than the up trade. All right, 1142 bearish below. And I'll only be bullish above 1162. Yeah, we got to break above here. All right, but watch these oil futures as well. So if oil futures go below that 55 level at the same time that USO goes below this level, that's always going to be great. I like to watch them tangibly. Beyond, the lockout is done, right? People that originally invested in the stock, the IPO, are allowed to sell today, right, guys? Everybody's paying attention. Is it going to get crushed even more? Well, I sent out this notification earlier because I had a feeling it was going to move. Actually, all these stocks I was sending out to you. During earnings season, when we do have some really wild moves, I'm mapping them out. I want to make sure that you get those levels as soon as possible because I know a lot of you do trade pre-market. So bearish below 87.50. And we did hit quite a few targets already on that. And watch the 85 level moving forward right now. Yeah, so that's the next major level. So I'm just going to write it here for another trade if you didn't get this one. Yeah, if they move, I'll give you a new level to watch, to enter. And bullish above 90. Got to have a level that we're bullish above. Let's go to shop. Shop, shop, shop. Nobody's shopping. Not enough. Well, we did come down to this 161 exponential moving average. One of my favorites. It's amazing. So shop, yep, moved up. I sent this notification out. 302.50 bullish above. And we did come up, let's see, to about 311. So watch the 312.50. Yep, that's the next major level. We are retracing back up to the 4 EMA. Very popular. If we do start to turn down again, let's see, I would watch the 307.50 level. Okay, so if we do turn down, I'll just put another notification here because we have moved up 307.50. All right, let's go to Pfizer. Pfizer had massive prints. You guys remember that? Talking all about this back here. Somebody always knows something, and they do insider trading. Yeah, we had the biggest prints we've ever seen on Pfizer. And so, yep, we gapped up on earnings today. We're going to be bullish above 38.55 moving forward here, and bearish below 38.25 for Pfizer. Let's see, Grub, we're going to be bullish above 40 for retracement trade. I don't like to go against the trend, but if we could break above 40 with volume increasing, yeah, we could get a pop off this drop. I'll be bearish below 37.50 because there is a buyer on the book. Let me see if I can see him. 37.75. Yep, he's still there. Actually, there's another guy at 38.23. He wasn't there earlier. He's new. But here's that 37. Oh, let me freeze it. Here's that 37.75 guy. So this guy is new as well. Yeah, buyers are lining up for Grub. So let's go to TTM, Tata Motors. We'll be bullish above 12.20. We've gapped up here on the daily chart above all these big major moving averages, the 200 simple, exponential, 250, sorry, simple moving average. So bullish above 12.20. Bearish below 11.50 if it does start to move down. So these are the trade setups. GLD, bullish above 140.80 and bearish below 139.75 for GLD. But also watch IAU. We are below 14.37. That was a really big dark pool level. Then we had, I think, 14.18 and change. So if we close below 14, that's going to be uber bearish for gold. I just want to check out the dollar. I didn't get a chance to look at this. We did have some really big prints on the dollar ETF, UUP. And we haven't really moved too much. We had this one and we had this day. And we're kind of in the middle. So if we were to break above 27, I wouldn't trade UUP, but I would watch it. That's going to be bullish for the dollar, which is usually bearish for gold. And if we break below 26.50, bearish for the dollar, and usually that is bullish for gold. So another component if you are trading gold to watch that. All right, let's go to Apple. Has earnings tomorrow, so please be careful. Day trade, bullish above 249 and bearish below 248. And if it closes strong, it doesn't mean the earnings are going to be good. Or if it closes weak, doesn't mean it's going to be bad. Just day trade it before earnings, and we'll day trade it after tomorrow, okay? Day after, actually it's after the market close. So we'll day trade it on Thursday. Facebook also has earnings, I believe, right? Does it have earnings? Hold on a minute. Who knows? When are Facebook's earnings? Let's see who can type it in faster. 10:30, Donda wins the prize. She is the fastest. Oh, Chris G, you actually did it pretty fast. Same time as Donda in the training pit. Thank you. Yeah, I thought so. I forgot to put it in here, but I did look it up earlier, just double checking. Thank you so much. Yeah, I do the Whisper Live in the Java Pit training room. So let's see, 10:30 after the market closes. All right, so be careful on this one also. Yeah, we'll trade it before, but don't trade it into earnings, okay? That's gambling. The only time we trade into earnings is when they're not expecting a big move and we see massive dark pool prints coming in, and a lot of times we will do a strangle, but Facebook is expecting a $10 move, so they're not really giving us that edge. Apple's expecting almost a $10 move as well. So yeah, it's not a good trade. Now, if they weren't and we had prints, it's a different story. All right, so let's move. Facebook bullish above 191, bearish below 189.80. Bank of America bullish above 32. We had big prints on this one yesterday, 31.98 and 32. Are they selling at the top? It looks like they are. So we will only be bullish if we go above 32. Prove me wrong and go above 32 and I will take you long, Bank of America. All right, it's all about the levels. Bearish below 31.55. All right, so that's a really key level to watch there. So there you have it. Those are your whispers. These are the best stocks to trade. Please don't trade those push notifications that I send out throughout the day. Those are fresh new prints. I'm giving you levels just in case you're already in these stocks, letting you know the dark pool is coming in. We like to wait a few days to let them marinate. We don't want to trade them right away. You're going to get splashed. They usually go in the opposite direction of the true move. So if they're buying, they usually splash it down first and then move it up. If they're selling, they usually splash it up and then down. The best trades are the ones that I map out for you after studying the dark pool, the ECN books, the pivots every single morning. So please trade those. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.